Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to buy coins on Boloup live stream app. Alright, so coins are necessary if you want to send gifts to people on the app. So let's see how to buy it. Alright, first step to take guys is of course open the app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do guys is to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right, so once you click on that, from here you're going to find all these options around here. Just go ahead and select these coins option. Alright, so once you do that, you're going to get some options of coin to purchase. We have 8,400 coin, we have 25,200, and it goes down to 798,000 coin. Alright, so all you have to do is to decide on the amount of coin you want to purchase right here, and then just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see this option to continue by clicking on the buy button at the bottom area of your screen. So once you click on that, you'll be able to purchase the coin, providing that you have linked your debit or credit card on the app, or it's linked on your phone. Right, so once it's linked on your phone, you'll be able to purchase these coin. All right, so go ahead, click on the buy coin at the bottom area to buy this coin. Okay, so that's the guys on how you can easily buy coins on Boloup live stream app. Once you are able to buy coin, you'll be able to send gifts to people on the app. Right, so that's it. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.